Let's make sourdough jam thumbprint cookies that use up sourdough discard. Start by adding 226 grams of softened butter to a stand mixer. Next, add in 170 grams of cane sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix on low until combined and then continue to mix for about 5 minutes until the butter has lightened in color and looks fluffy. Next, add in 57 grams of sourdough discard. You can add this straight from the fridge. Then add in 383 grams of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of allspice, and a quarter teaspoon of cloves. Mix on low until combined into a smooth dough and you don't see any bits of flour. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. In a small bowl, add in 65 grams of turbinado sugar. Using your hands, roll the dough into 30 balls and then roll the balls in the turbinado sugar. Place them evenly apart on the baking sheet. You'll have 15 cookies per sheet. Once all the cookies are balled, use your thumb and press it into the center of the cookie to create an indent. Then fill that indent with jam or preserves. Today I'm using my persimmon apple cider jam and strawberry preserves for these cookies. You can use any kind of jam or preserves that you like. Other flavors that are delicious with this recipe include cranberry orange jam, blueberry preserves, and cherry jam. I'll link my jam recipes in the description. While I love making my own homemade jams and preserves, you can also use store-bought. Either will work. Bake at 350 degrees for 19 to 22 minutes or until lightly browned on the bottoms. These sourdough jam thumbprint cookies make the perfect addition to any holiday cookie box. If you want more organic recipes that use up sourdough discard, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen. Happy holidays from my kitchen to yours.